Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite more players to your family on Steam so you can share your games with them. So what you want to do is go up to the top, go to Steam, go to Settings, and then under here, we want to go to where it says Family. And then you're going to see your family if you got one, but you can go to Create a Family down here on the bottom, and you can see I have 3 people added already. Now they need to go to where it says Join Family once they get an invite. And then they can join your family. So it's very important they actually accept the invite. Otherwise, they're they're not gonna be included in the family. But you can add more people. Once you go to family management, you can go to invite family member, and you can search your friends list right here. And you can invite someone who is a friend to your family, and then you should be able to go to your library. Then, if you're the new friend, and you can download their games onto your PC. So you can see all these different games. I got this game right here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.